My question is relates slightly to my question as well. In the Quran about honey, it is said fihi shifa'un lin-nas. Does it explain anywhere else what kind of illnesses are cured by honey?
Well, this verse is a very interesting verse. In the context, in the entire context, this primarily applies to the spiritual shifa. And in fact, it is the community of mu'mineen which has been described in these verses. And their qualities, what they do and how they do, and why they are capable of removing other people's maladies and to bless them with cure, spiritual elements. That is the first underlying meaning. But the apparent meaning, which is the secondary, is just an example of animal species, of how she does and behaves, and as a result of that, whatever is produced is also useful for physical cure and physical treatment of ills. The Holy Quran also gives an indication or throws some light on the avenues of investigation and exploration. It says, "Fihi shifa'un lin-nas." I'll tell you. وَأَوْحَى رَبُّكَ إِلَى النَّحْلِ أَنِ اتَّخِذِي مِنَ الْجِبَالِ بُيُوتًا وَمِنَ الشَّجَرِ وَمِمَّا يَعْرِشُونَ ثُمَّ كُلِي مِنْ كُلِّ الثَّمَرَاتِ فَاسْلُكِي سُبُلَ رَبِّكِ ذُلُلًا يَخْرُجُ مِنْ بُطُونِهَا شَرَابٌ مُخْتَلِفٌ أَلْوَانُهُ. That مُخْتَلِفٌ أَلْوَانُهُ is a very important pointer, that if you want to investigate physically, I mean now talking in material terms, the qualities of cure of honey, keep in view the variation in hues and shades of honey. Why are the variations in shades and hues caused? If you further investigate this, then you come to know that a honeybee during the season of a flora starts sucking the nectar of a particular flower of that particular flora, and as long as it is not exhausted, it never changes to another type of flower. While other flowers are in full bloom, you will see a particular honeybee going only to a particular flower, and it doesn't meander from one to the other. So that shows the color and hue is derived from a particular flower, and the qualities of that flower are in fact absorbed by that honey which is produced by that honeybee. So that shows, for further investigation, you have to investigate on the principal ingredients of those flowers, and the best way to administer that medicine which is in that flower would be through the means of honey. So a great science has opened up for the mankind to investigate by just a very oblique reference to the change in shades and hues of honey. It's not meaningless. Why should Allah say suddenly that يَخْرُجُ مِنْ بُطُونِهَا شَرَابٌ مُخْتَلِفٌ أَلْوَانُهُ? So that is because the flowers are different in shades. Honey gets the shades from the flowers, and the pointer is towards the flowers in fact. Through the shades, one's imagination transferred to the flowers. And this thing has been only recently discovered, that the honeybee sticks to one type of flower during honey collection. It doesn't just go on to any place even if there are many flowers very close and the temperatures are very low and there is a danger of death to the honeybee, once it has started sucking the nectar of a particular flower, it will never change. This discovery has been made recently by the West, but the Holy Quran also seems to point out to this.